Uh-oh, do you see that? Leaves are turning up again. We know what Grandma said. It's gonna storm. Uh-oh, cat's turning up.
Welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
That was a clump. What is that? Yeah, I know, that's on the outside. He just noticed that. It's been there since we've been in here. Yeah, it's gonna storm. What do you think about that? Is that why you're going? Oh, yep. Cat's turning up. I think that means it's gonna storm. Leaves are turning up. Cat is turning up. Cat's freaking out. Hey, little spazoid. Just dragging a mouse all over the room and she was chasing it. So we're a little bit hyper. Okay, lick our butt. Let's watch the leaves instead. They're turning up. It's getting ready. I keep trying to do some clouds. And they're just it's either been a clear blue sky or it's been this. No clouds. But it is a breeze and turned up leaves. And a cat. You say hi? Say hi, peoples. Guess what day today is, peoples? So can you believe that 1 year ago today, I uploaded my first video? I can't believe it's been a whole year. And I cannot believe how unbelievably kind and support. Well, I should be able to believe it by now. You folks have always been so kind and supportive and encouraging and helpful. But 1 year ago today, I uploaded my kitchen video and then I started watching this. And I had 1 view. And I ran, well, I super turtle ran back to my son's room and opened his door and I said, 1 person's watching my video. And he said, that's good. And then checked it again, refreshed it, checked it. And there were 5 people watching it. I went back and I'm like, 5 people are watching my video now. He's like, that's great, Mom. And then I had a subscriber. So I ran back. And I'm like, Josh, somebody subscribed. He goes, that's really good, Mom. That was me. I'm watching it now. I was like, oh, okay. Well, thanks. But then there were 6 subscribers. And then there were 12 subscribers. And every time it's like I ran back and told him. And then I couldn't wait until he got home from work because all of a sudden I was up to 20 subscribers. And it had so many views. Every time one of these numbers would go up, I would get excited. Every time a comment would show up in the comment section, I would get excited. Then now today, a year later, you can't see what I'm pointing at. Let's go down here. There it is. Come on. And now today, a year later, I still can't get my camera angle straight. Seriously? It's arguing with me. This was my kitchen video. That was my very first video, May 21st, 2017. And right now it has 376,642 views. I really cannot believe that. I have 5,000 comments on it. 5,471. It just amazes me that many people have watched me clean up my disaster of a kitchen. I mean, I started this just kind of hoping it would help me stay focused, hoping it would help me to learn to take some pride in my accomplishments, because that's something that I've been sorely lacking. You folks see what you've done now? 26,259 subscribers, 1,594,000 views. That's all your fault. Thank you so much for that. But I cannot believe how much it's grown. And I think I have less than 50 videos. I didn't go through and count them. But I just wanted to say thank you. It's been an incredible year. You've helped me so much. I've learned that I still have some worth to myself, to others, to life. I've learned that I can do whatever I set out to do. It just may take me a while to do it. I may have to learn to work around issues. Whoops. Sorry about that. It has been such an amazing journey. Taken me so far, and you've helped me get so far. I really can't. My living room videos each have over 100,000 views. It just really, really amazes me that many people want to watch me take my life back. But it's not even just that they're watching, it's the positivity all the way around. You know, I mean, yeah, there are going to be some negative comments, but honestly, when I first started, I expected to get trashed so bad by so many people just because I was honest with you, honest with myself about the condition of my home and my life. I knew what it was like. And I'd read the comments on other people's videos. I mean, I just started posting my own a year ago, but I've watched YouTube for probably since it existed. But I didn't get that. I didn't get the trash that I was expecting. I got positivity. I got encouragement. I received kindness and support from you folks. But I also received a whole lot of understanding. I was and still am truly amazed at how many folks are in the same boat. And it blows me away that so many people say that I'm helping them. It's just, that's the best part of this to me, is that, I mean, I started out helping myself and ended up helping others. And maybe helping others to help even more people. But the support you show each other, the support you've shown me, the fact that you've invited us into your homes and families, and you are all part of our home and our family. I don't know. It's just pretty amazing. So I'm getting all super mushy now. Sorry about that. But I just had to thank you. 1 year ago today. Where am I at? I'm way over here. 1 year ago today, this video went live. And I was barging in my son's room every time I went from 1 to 3 to 4 views to 7 views to all excited about it. Texting him every time I got a new subscriber and a new positive comment. And he was monitoring all the comments to make sure there was nothing that would like really discourage me or hurt my feelings bad, or I don't know. He was being my protector. It's just really, really amazing what you folks have helped to create here. It's a pretty cool little family, isn't it? A family of 26,000 people. Pretty amazing. I keep saying that word, but it's true. And now I'm getting all mushy and sappy, so maybe it's time to go on to something else. But I just wanted to thank you. Thank the cats, thank the boy, thank every single one of you for being a part of our life and for making this YouTube journey, but also my own personal journey, doable. Because without your support and encouragement, I know I wouldn't have kept on. You know, so like I've said it before, it's all your fault. This is all on you. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And let's not forget whose channel it really is. I lost Daddy. Hi. Are you sleeping in there? Yeah, did you find a new hidey spot? Yeah, I know. I lost you. I couldn't find you anywhere. I know, but you looked pretty cute in there. Hi. So I looked everywhere. Then I heard a little squeak. Looked in there. She wasn't there. She was in the thing underneath. Hey, you're pretty cute. Yes, you are. So I want to show you something. Oops, sorry. Got my charger in the way. I had a Q-tip sitting on the edge of the stand. She was sitting right here. Tally was down there eating. And somebody was pulling the Q-tips out of here and dropping them on Tally. And she managed to get them all over. Who did that? How did these get down here? How did they get down there? You don't know? Who did it? Hi. Yes, I know you're cute and the slow blink, but it doesn't always make everything better. Taylor's trying to eat and things kept hitting her on the head. And somebody was just all proud of herself. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Come down here and pick these up. Yeah, come on. Sitting there looking cute doesn't help. Come pick these up. Whoops, you're going to fall.
What is it? I don't know either. I'm talking to the thunder?
So this is Addie's first thunderstorm of the season, and she did not like it.
Is it scary? Yeah. I know, it looks like a bad storm. Come look. It's okay, baby. What do you think about it? Whoa, look at that wind blowing. Glad you're inside and not out there. Hear the thunder?
Thank you for everything you've become to all of us. And thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.